Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Looking across the region, temperatures are already starting to warm up at 91 degrees. Well on the way to seeing a 95-degree temperature again today. Now, the record today is 98, so we're not going to bust the record, I don't think. But we're going to get close to it once again. We'll be within a couple of degrees of the record, much closer to a record than to a normal. Again, 74-degree dew point. Calm winds right now. That'll allow the sea breeze, I think, to penetrate maybe 10, 15, 20 miles inland. So we're already starting to get some showery activity in inland areas. 86 degrees Wauchula, 85 in Arcadia, 88 Mayaca, Parrish at 89, 89 in Bradenton, 88 Lakewood Ranch, 89 in Venice, 87 in Inglewood, 88 in Northport, 90 in Punta Gorda, and along the coast, 85 degrees at Longboat Key. So, same sort of situation. We have a general easterly wind flow. That's our steering current. Really not much is changing here. Southeasterly or southeasterly to easterly wind flow aloft is taking those showers and kind of pushing them in this direction. A little bit more moisture around. Yesterday we had some drier air that kind of filtered in and delayed the onset of the showers and also limited the total number of them. Although the ones we got, a couple of them were pretty strong, produced some pretty good rainfall. Today, a little bit more moisture. A little bit more rainfall. This will be a day, I think, this afternoon that'll be more similar to the day before yesterday than it will be to yesterday's rainfall kind of situation. So we've already got some showers in progress here around Wauchula, some pretty good rainfall rates. This is heavy rainfall here. The radar returns coming in the upper range at about 55 dBz or so. And then down here near Arcadia, we've got a smattering of showers as well. The sea breeze hasn't even really gotten going yet, so once the sea breeze gets going and it collides with these incoming showers, then we'll get kind of an explosion of thunderstorm activity. And I don't think it's going to be with that particular cell, but it'll probably be with some of them coming up out of the south. We have this high-pressure ridge sitting just to our north, again, directing our winds out of the east. Not much changes there. That high-pressure ridge will be with us today, tomorrow, day after. I think maybe by Sunday we might start to see a little bit of a change coming our way in the form of some drier air once again filtering in. But until then, I think we are going to benefit from these rain showers, which is great to get them while we can here during the rainy season. West moving storms, afternoon to evening showers and thunderstorms, and then again temperatures in the high to mid 90s with some cooler 90s right along the immediate coastline. The RPM computer model shows the showers picking up, some of them heavy, moving out into the Gulf and dissipating. Then guess what? Tomorrow we'll do the same thing with some occasionally heavier showers and thunderstorms, frequent lightning strikes, gusty winds, heavy downpours of rain, your main weather considerations with these particular storms. And then on Saturday, probably the similar situation. On Sunday, I think we start to tone it down a bit. As far as severe weather goes, I don't think that's in the cards for us, though. Obviously, anytime you have thunderstorms around, you got to watch for impulse of one of the storms becoming stronger. But to the north of us, we do have a better potential around the Atlanta airport later on today. We'll have to watch for that. There is the chance you could have a severe storm there. So the forecast for us is not too bad. For the next couple of hours, northwest wind developing at about 10 knots out on the waters, 2-foot seas, light chop. But by all means, please watch out for those storms heading your way toward the evening hours out in Gulf waters. And the forecast calls for good chances of rain today, tomorrow, and then maybe slightly less as we head into the second half of the weekend. Scott?